it's me again, Jackpot of eclations. Good evening! Yep, gabi na dito. So you have to pardon my very haggardest face. I just came home from work, but as I've stated, I've got something in the mail again! Something I can't wait to unbox. So, I'll unbox this with you. It's actually another kit from Vida Prints. It's the second planner kit. I did an unboxing of the first planner kit, and this one came in the mail today. So I'm really excited. Actually, I've always wanted to subscribe to those planner kits, but they tend to be too costly for me. But I think this kit is something that hopefully, God willing, funds permit, I will continue purchasing every now and then. So I think Sis Marife plans to release a kit every other month, if not monthly. So if you are interested to getting your own planner kits from Vida Prints, feel free to join their group, our group, Vida Prints PH, and do watch out for their releases. So I think the next one, the planner kit for December, will be out for pre-orders on November 30. That's this Saturday, next Saturday, 9 p.m. So stay tuned. There are only limited slots, normally around 20 to 25. So you have to really be quick to claim yours. You just need to comment mine on the thread that Sis Marife will be opening. Okay? So, without further ado, let me show you the contents of this box. Okay? I'll shift the view, okay? Hi guys, so here is our November planner kit from Vida Prints PH, care of Sis Marife. So, I'm gonna open it to you. I've actually opened this with my daughter, so if you want to see our raw and candid reactions, especially from that little girl, be sure to stay and watch until the end of this video. But if you just want to see what's inside the kit, here it is. Ta-da! There. So it comes with our usual note from Sis Marife. Thank you very much. Do what you love. Love what you do. Happy planning. Love lots, Marife. Thank you, sis. And this is our kit. So it has that Vida Prints logo or sticker. I have actually opened this earlier with my daughter. So I'm just going to show you again what's inside. There. So this is a bookmark. It's a planner bookmark with charms. It can act as a planner tail. It's handcrafted by Vian. You can follow her on Instagram, Plan with Vian. There. Oh yeah, really like this one. It's a crystal BB pen from Villa Beautiful. Yeah. Beautiful with double F. So if you want to get your own, you can go to shop at shop at shopvillabeautiful.com. Sorry, I'm having problems with my camera focus. There. Good job. It has a lot of sparkly crystals. Thank you so much. I like this one. Oh, this is also something that I really like. This is from Craft Happy by Van. These are also planner charms. It can act as your planner tail or bookmarks wherever you want to insert them through your planner pages, or you might be able to use it on your kid's hair, like her. Ta-da! There. Sorry for that interruption. Okay, so let me set this up again. There. And then the next part is we have so peppery washi tapes. These are foiled and I like them so much. As in, I love pink, I love gold foil, I love washi, I love hoarding. So I couldn't be happier. Thank you so much. This kit is really pretty. So again, it's from Oso Paperies. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but you know, get what I mean. This one, stickers. Another bunch of stickers from, it's Paper Bear Paper Bear Company. Oh, I think these are cute yet functional stickers you can use to document your day. If you've already gone through the gym, if you've done your groceries, if you've got Happy Meal. Yeah, just like this one. Happy Meal indeed. And this one, also pretty. These are stickers. This pack includes 2 waterproof transparent vinyl sticker sheets, 1 free decal sticker, 1 discount code. I am booked all day. Coffee clock. And this came from Plan, Write, Create. Hi, sis Rhea. Thank you so much for this. And these 2 stickers are from Craft Trina. My little girl really loves these. And if you love coffee or tea, I think you're gonna love this one also. Happy Meal! This one. See that look on her face? She has been eyeing this sticker since she saw them. These are pretty functional stickers. Girl stickers. Shows you your life as a mom, career woman, something that just want to relax with your dog, reading books, etc. And they are from Rainbow Papeterie. Thank you so much for these stickers. And last but not the least are stickers from Sis Marifer herself from Vida Prints. I really like the bow. So there you have it, guys. So these are the contents of the November La Vida Prints PH Planner Kit. And if you want to get yours, the December kit will be open for minors or pre-orders this November 30. So head on to Facebook, look for La Vida Prints PH group, and be sure to be one of the minors. Huwag niyo lang ako unahan, please. I almost lost a slot this November, and I thank God that some slots freed up, so I got this. So there you have it. Thank you, guys, and I hope you enjoyed that. And again, if you want to see our candid, funny, and magulong reaction to this unboxing, don't forget to watch the next part. Thank you. Bye, guys. To God be the glory. Thanks. For the next part, I actually have a special guest. She insisted that she unbox this with me, so you have to bear with us as we show you the contents, okay? Who are you again?
Dana.
Okay, so let's show them, baby. So, we'll unbox this.
Pink box!
She likes the pink box. She's actually asking for it, but I said I can just make or get another box for her because this box is for my kit. So baby, why don't you help mommy show them what's inside the kit, okay?
Okay.
Now come here.
Some will
So they'll see
probably
you.
keep in my butt.
No.
It's gonna stink, Mommy. So you'll open the it's mine.
May ano na siya. Ulterior motives. May evil plan na ang bebe girl. Okay? So, as
Whoa!
always, it's
Even
very
the box
sealed
is cool.
properly. Even the box is cold out. Ta-da! Okay? So, let's open it na. I like the colors. I think it's pretty close to the colors that we use for our invitations. So this is what the kit has
Open
inside.
it!
Yeah. Your hair is messy. Oh, it's the usual note from La Vida Prints.
Thank you very much.
It says, thank you very much. Do what you love. Love what you do. Happy planning. Lots of love. Mary Faye.
Mary Faye.
Yeah, Mary Faye. And this is the
Packaging. More packaging.
Okay? Wait. I'll hand it to you one by one. Careful! Mimi! You're too excited.
It's broken.
Ah!
plastic's broken. That looks like tissue plastic.
Wait.
Whoa! Whoa!
here,
I
so
like the
sorry.
first thing.
Yeah.
Whoa! Whoa! Yay!
He's really excited.
The first.
Yeah, it's the first one.
I can't
It's
see very
actually planner charms. I think I'm gonna put this on your hair. Think so? These are from wait now. These are from Craft Happy by
By
Vange. Thank you so much for your planner charms.
Whoa!
Oh, this one is something I also like. This one's crafted by Vienne. CCC.
Wait, I'll show it. I'll
Sorry,
show it.
yeah, show.
There you see a wrecking ball.
Hey, that's mine. You know what? I actually like this charm. So when it was first advertised that it would be part of the kit, and I think at that time I didn't have a slot on the kits yet. I decided to go ahead and order one from Vienne. So I already have one like this. So I think either this one or that other one will go to the little girl. But this was part of the kit, so this was mine. And then this one. Who doesn't like this one? I like this one.
This is mommy's.
Yeah, it's gonna be mommy's because
It's
we have a lot of
like-
pens already. There. It's
It has
glittery pen.
some gold, silver, pink, diamonds inside. And it's a crystal pen.
Yeah, it's from Villa Beautiful.
Crystal
And it's really, really
BB
beautiful. Crystal BB pen. Thank you so much. You can get yours from shopvillabeautiful.com. That's with double F. Shop Villa Beautiful. Thank you.
Here's some.
Washi tape.
Ooh.
These are so cute.
I don't like tape.
I like it. So this is mine, yeah. These ones are mine. It is gold foil.
I'm not
These are so
sure.
pretty. And
You
these washi
already
tapes
did.
with foil designs are from Oh So Batteries. Tell me girls, tell me guys, how do you not just hoard
I like this
and how do you use your washi tapes? Because me, I just love to stare at them. As in, I don't like using them. I think they will go to waste if I use them. But I have to. Because this
It's double
year,
wrap.
you know, for 2019,
Wait,
I actually got around 5
There
planners.
they have
But I
some.
only really actively
They have
used
some words
one.
on the like round.
So now I planned it for 2020. And with only a few, like 1 to 2 planners. But really, really, really use all of them. So please, help me not just hoard. These are stickers. Careful. These are stickers from Craftrina.
Craft
There.
with a K.
Yeah, Craftrina with a K.
Here, there's a mocha.
Yeah, so if you're into coffee, you will be using this a lot. And then this one, oh cutie!
It's from Super Bear.
Paper Bear Co. Paper Bear Company. Pretty. They're like these ones.
But it says here somewhere Paper Bear.
Yeah, so you can get them at paperbearco.com.
You see lights
Oh,
on
looks like
my
Siopaw. Is it
Right?
Siopaw? Or is it a panda? Yeah, one's a panda. Pretty girl. This one, foiled ah. I like this one. So this one are watercolor prints.
Hey, that's definitely.
No, sorry. It has 2 waterproof transparent vinyl sticker sheets, 1 free decal sticker, and 1 discount code. And
Okay.
this one is from Plan Right Create.
This is
Thank you
definitely
so much,
gonna
Miss
wow
Rhea.
you.
I like this so much.
This
Thank
is
you, thank
definitely
you.
gonna wow me.
Yeah, I think so.
Done. Just kidding. Done.
Yeah, she actually likes the function and the fashion stickers, the female stickers. I don't really know what they're called, but she really likes stickers with girl designs. So I think this one might go to her. Yeah, I'm still thinking about it.
This one, oh my god.
And no, And this one, these ones are from Rainbow Papery.
Oh,
Ano? Rainbow Papeterie. Sorry. These are from Rainbow Papeterie.
if you can read it, you can see it.
Yeah, sorry. It's
I have white eyeballs.
white eyeballs. Oh my.
Look,
And
my eyes.
the last content of the kit. Oh, I like this one.
That's definitely
Bow. There is
And here's the back.
monogram
Show the
and
back.
in front. Yeah, in front. Coats. Oh, thank you, Sis Marife. And these ones are from Sis Marife herself from La
Go
Vida
in my
Prints.
butt.
Thank you so much. So that's actually the content
Go in
of
my
our
butt.
kit. Thank you so much for watching our video.
Gonna
I
go
hope
in my butt.
No, I hope you enjoyed that. And again, head on over to La Vida Prints PH in Facebook. It's a group. Join us. This Marife is very welcoming and very
This is
friendly and
mine.
accommodating. And the next planner for December will be out for minors for pre-orders this November 30, 9 p.m. So stay tuned. Pero,
I'm gonna tell
hindi ako
them.
manahan.
I'm gonna
Thank you.
tell them
Bye-bye.
the secret. There's stuff inside the box.
No. Bye-bye.